Earlier, we saw equality operations done by the equals to sign. Now, let us explore inequality operators, which actually gets us results based on a range of matching values. This is less than sign, and this brings rows that are lesser than the condition. Select first name, last name, salary, commission percentage from employees where commission percentage is less than 0.25. Will bring me the rows where the commission percentage is less than 0.25. This is greater than symbol. We can use this to get rows that are greater than the condition. The same query with greater than symbol will bring us a result where the commission percentage is greater than 0.25. Also, note that the column in the where class doesn't have to appear in the select class. This commission percentage column doesn't have to appear in the select class. Let me run this SQL, which is select first name, last name, salary from employees where commission percentage is greater than 0.25. In that statement, we are not selecting the commission percentage column, but still can filter the results by it. And it just brought us the rows that match the where condition from the columns specified in the select class. Thank you for watching.